So we're gonna go do a coop clean. 33 weeks pregnant. So let's get our boots on and let's go scoop poop. Oh, gloves.
Hi, how are you?
I shut them out. Now they're mad. Let's go. Come on. Sally's been here. Anybody? Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you. Sorry. If I didn't know any better, I'd say she's mad. Throw out an egg for me. Uh-huh. Somebody's eating an egg in here. We're gonna have to clean that today. This is our reusable nesting pad and the rollaway box. Brand new. Let that dry and then I'm gonna go put it up there later. Hey Sally, lay an egg? Sally, what? I know. All right, bye. What do you want to do? Throw some chickens back in, don't we? Still got it. Easy, easy, easy. Y'all haven't seen Sally in a while. Hey, you're so beautiful. There you go. No, Noe, you're getting her, bub. Noe. Go on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's all right. Come on. You done? Down. She was stuck. My t-shirt is the theme of the day. I'm offending everybody. Yeah, girl. Come on, go. Good. All right.
I don't want to.
Yes. You want to throw them in? Feeding chickens. All right, a little bit more.